Yep, and try to nail that pivot so there's no stutter stepping. You've got to have a shield nice and tight to do it. Exactly 180. See if you can extend your legs a little more on the pivot, Matt.
To the dirt or to the bench?
Right about where Matt is good. Nice, Gran.